Don't let it ruin your day. Sydney CBD Repair Centre can help you get your phone back to its original condition in no time. We are a team of experts who specialize in Google Pixel 7 Pro screen replacement, using only genuine parts and advanced tools. We can replace your screen within 1 hour, and you can keep using your old fingerprint scanner on the new screen. No hassle, no compromise. Plus, we have more than 1,700 positive Google reviews from our satisfied customers, so you can trust us with your phone. Just visit our shop or book online, and we will take care of the rest. Choose Sydney CBD Repair Centre for your Google Pixel 7 Pro screen repair needs. The Google Pixel 7 Pro is a great smartphone, but what happens when the screen gets damaged? Fortunately, there's a solution: screen replacement. The Sydney CBD Repair Centre team specializes in this service, using genuine parts and taking only about an hour to complete. One of the great features of the Google Pixel 7 Pro is its fingerprint scanner, but many customers may wonder if it will still work with a new screen. The answer is yes. The team at Sydney CBD Repair Centre ensures that the fingerprint scanner on the customer's device will continue to work perfectly with the new screen. With over 1,700 positive Google reviews, it's clear that this repair center is trusted by many. They have a team of experienced technicians who are dedicated to providing excellent customer service and quality repairs. The center also offers a warranty on all repairs, so customers can have peace of mind in knowing that their device is in good hands. Whether it's a cracked screen, a broken camera, or any other issue, the Sydney CBD Repair Centre is the go-to destination for smartphone repairs. So, if you're in need of a Google Pixel 7 Pro screen replacement, don't hesitate to visit this reputable repair center. Does Google Pixel warranty cover screen replacement? If you own a Google Pixel phone and you are wondering if the warranty covers screen replacement, the answer depends on the cause and extent of the damage. According to Google's official website, the Pixel phone warranty does not cover accidental damage, such as cracked or shattered screens. However, if your Pixel phone is defective through no fault of your own, you may be able to return it for repair or replacement under warranty. According to Google's official support page, support.google.com, the limited warranty for Pixel phones covers defects in materials and workmanship that arise from normal use of the device. However, it does not cover accidental damage, such as drops, spills, or liquid damage. Therefore, if your screen is cracked or broken due to an accident, your warranty will not cover the screen replacement. However, if your screen is defective through no fault of your own, such as not turning on, freezing often, or having trouble getting signal, you may be able to return it for repair or replacement under warranty. To do so, you need to follow Google's procedures and provide your name, contact info, phone serial number, proof of purchase, and diagnostic information for your phone's issues. Support.google.com. Checkmark Pixel phone's warranty status and eligibility thumbs up. You can check your Pixel phone's warranty status and eligibility by selecting your device on Google's support page, support.google.com. You can also find out how to start a repair or replacement process online or by phone. Note that warranty terms can vary depending on the country or region where you bought your phone. If you bought your Pixel phone from an approved third-party retailer, you may also have warranty options from that retailer or from Google's limited warranty. You need to contact the retailer or the manufacturer directly to find out more. Support.google.com. If you have Google Store's Preferred Care Plan, which is an optional extended protection plan for Pixel phones, you may have more coverage and benefits for accidental damage, including screen replacement. You can start a claim by visiting mydeviceprotect.com or calling 1-877-406-4372. Support.google.com. If your Pixel phone is out of warranty or your claim is not covered by warranty, you can still get your screen fixed out of warranty by finding an authorized repair partner for your Pixel phone on Google's support page, support.google.com. You will need to pay for the repair costs and shipping fees. To file a warranty claim for your Pixel phone, you need to follow these steps. 1. Troubleshoot the problem. Try some basic steps to fix the issue, such as restarting your phone, updating your software, or clearing your cache. You can also contact Pixel phone support for more help. 2. Check your Pixel phone's warranty. You can find the warranty information on your phone's settings or on the paper warranty that came in your phone's box. Note that warranty terms can vary depending on the country or region where you bought your phone. 3. Pick your support option. If your Pixel phone is out of warranty or your claim is not covered, you can get your phone fixed out of warranty by finding an authorized repair partner. If your Pixel phone is under warranty and your claim is covered, you can make a claim by talking with Google's support team. They will need your name, contact info, phone serial number, proof of purchase, and help to answer some diagnostic questions. You can also check your replacement or return status online after you start a repair or replacement process. If you have Google Store's preferred care plan, you can enjoy additional benefits such as priority support and device replacement with no deductibles. In conclusion, Sydney CBD Repair Centre is the trusted destination for efficient and reliable Google Pixel 7 Pro screen replacements. With a focus on utilizing genuine parts and providing excellent customer service, we guarantee to bring your phone back to its original condition. Our commitment to quality is substantiated by the multitude of positive Google reviews from satisfied customers. While Google's warranty may not cover accidental screen damage, we are here to help you regardless of your warranty status. Don't let a damaged screen ruin your day. Visit us or book online to experience hassle-free screen replacement and get your Google Pixel 7 Pro back on track.